Welcome. If you're tired of constant notifications from message requests on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to disable those notifications with the latest Instagram update, so you can enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Instagram website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the main page, look to the menu on the left side of your screen. Find and click on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal Instagram profile, where you'll see several options. From here, look for the option labeled Notifications in the menu. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Notifications section, you'll find a variety of settings to control how Instagram alerts you. What you want to do next is enter the Push Notifications area. This is where Instagram manages all the notifications that pop up on your device, including those for message requests. Now scroll down until you see the section titled Message Requests. Here you'll see a few different options for how you want to handle notifications for incoming message requests from people you don't follow. To turn off these notifications completely, simply choose the Off option. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for message requests on Instagram when using your PC. From now on, you won't be interrupted by alerts every time someone you don't know tries to message you. This setting helps keep your notifications focused only on what matters most to you, making your Instagram experience quieter and more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to take control of their Instagram notifications. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your distraction-free time on Instagram.